Namaste. Welcome to Namaste Hindi. I'm Prerna Khandelwal, born and raised in India. I am a native Hindi speaker and I've made these videos so you can begin to learn Hindi an easy way. Today we are gonna learn about
The names of kitchen utensils in Hindi and English.
रसोई के बर्तनों के नाम हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में.
In the Hindi language, each noun has a gender.
लिंग,
Hindi nouns have two grammatical genders, masculine
पुल्लिंग,
and feminine.
स्त्रीलिंग.
In this tutorial, some abbreviations are used. Masculine is represented by the capital letter M. Feminine is represented by the capital letter F. Masculine plural is represented by MP, and feminine plural is represented by the letters FP. For example, the word kitchen in Hindi is
रसोई,
which is feminine, and the word utensils in Hindi is
बर्तन.
which is masculine plural. Rolling pan, rolling pan.
चकला, चकला.
Rolling pin, rolling pin.
बेलन, बेलन.
Flour plate, flour plate.
परात, परात.
Flat pan, flat pan. Or griddle, griddle.
तवा, तवा.
Flat clay pan, flat clay pan.
मिट्टी का तवा, मिट्टी का तवा.
Ghee container, ghee container. Or oil container, oil container.
घीदानी, घीदानी.
Mortar and pestle, mortar and pestle.
हमाम दस्ता, हमाम दस्ता.
Teapot, teapot. Or kettle, kettle.
केतली, केतली.
Thermos, thermos. Or flask, flask.
थर्मस, थर्मस.
Pincers, pincers. Or grippers, grippers.
संडासी, संडासी. पकड़, पकड़.
Tongs, tongs.
चिमटा, चिमटा.
Ladle, ladle.
करछी, करछी. चमचा, चमचा.
Kitchen knife, kitchen knife.
चाकू, चाकू. और चक्कू, चक्कू.
Cutting board, cutting board.
कटिंग बोर्ड, कटिंग बोर्ड. और चॉपिंग बोर्ड, चॉपिंग बोर्ड.
Scissors, scissors. Or shears, shears.
कैंची, कैंची.
Saucepot, saucepot.
भगोना, भगोना.
Wok, wok.
कढ़ाई, कढ़ाई.
Pressure cooker, pressure cooker.
प्रेशर कुकर, प्रेशर कुकर.
Serving bowl, serving bowl. Or dish, dish.
हांडी, हांडी.
Flat spatula, flat spatula.
पलटा, पलटा.
Lid, lid.
ढक्कन, ढक्कन.
frying spoon, frying spoon, strainer, strainer, or slotted spoon, slotted spoon.
Jhar, jhar,
Grater, grater, or zester, zester.
kaddukas, kaddukas,
Tea strainer, tea strainer.
chai chalni, chai chalni,
Flour sieve, flour sieve.
aata chalni, aata chalni,
Colander, colander, or pasta strainer, pasta strainer.
chalni, chalni,
Spice box, spice box.
masaldani, masaldani, और मसाला डब्बा, मसाला डब्बा,
Leaf plate, leaf plate.
पत्तल, पत्तल,
Leaf bowl, leaf bowl.
दोना, दोना,
Clay glass, clay glass.
कुल्हड़, कुल्हड़, और सिकोरा, सिकोरा,
Bowl, bowl.
कटोरा, कटोरा, और कटोरी, कटोरी,
Fork, fork.
काटा, काटा,
Knife, knife.
छुरी, छुरी,
And spoon, spoon.
चम्मच, चम्मच,
Plate, plate.
प्लेट, प्लेट, और थाली, थाली,
Glass, glass.
गिलास, गिलास,
Clay pot for water, clay pot for water. Or pitcher, pitcher.
मटका, मटका, और घड़ा, घड़ा,
Copper jug, copper jug. Or pitcher, pitcher.
तांबे का जग, तांबे का जग,
Water pot, water pot. Or pitcher, pitcher.
लोठा, लोठा,
Question and answer, question and answer.
सवाल जवाब, सवाल जवाब,
Let's see how much you remember from what you just learned. Try to fill in the question marks on screen with the Hindi word. Then we'll show you the answers so you can check your memory. The Hindi word for rolling pan is
चकला,
rolling pin
बेलन,
and flour plate.
परात,
The Hindi word for pinchers or grippers is
संडासी और पकड़,
tongs
चिमटा,
and ladle.
करछी और चमचा,
The Hindi word for kitchen knife is
चाकू और चक्कू.
the word for fork is
काटा,
knife is
छुरी,
and spoon is
चम्मच.
and scissors or shears in Hindi are
कैंची.
The Hindi word for wok is
कढ़ाई,
flat spatula
पलटा,
and lid.
ढक्कन.
And that's all the practice for this video. Great job!
Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something new today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Namaste.